The project is, I have called it UFilter. And the idea, the motivation behind making this project as my HOP was I have recently for last year only, we started following a couple of daily bloggers. So one day I was just trying to search some of the old videos for that particular vlogger, and from 2015 or 16. And then when I started to look for a filter in my YouTube app, uh, there was none. And so I had to that's when I understood that there is YouTube is not providing that functionality. And if you have to find any old videos from a particular date or from a particular year, you will have to do that search manually, which is, I think, is a uh, painful process. So that's why I decided to make this uh, project, to use it obviously for myself, and also if somebody else also wants to use it. So for front end I have used React Native because mostly, like, I think mostly people watch the YouTube videos on their mobile. At least I do. So I thought it would be a better idea that it should be a mobile app, because if you have to search something, you're not going to go back to your desktop and search for that link. So uh, that was the reason behind using React Native. Also because I'm a bit acquainted with React Native, not I haven't used Flutter yet. So and for backend I've been using Node.js and Express framework. Also I'm utilizing the YouTube APIs. They expose a couple of APIs for if you want to perform any additional search on their basically in their YouTube data. So uh, and also there are a couple of features that are still pending, like pagination. Then I'm not caching the data, so every time you will have to make a you're performing a search, the call will go to the YouTube servers. And so I've mentioned those as a part of the limitations and stretch goals in my project pitch documentation. So I'll just show you the app. So here I have kept the structure very basic. Like, for example, if I have to search for a particular channel's video, vlogger's video, so all I have to do is, like, we don't know their username or channel ID or channel name. So all I can do, I can go to that blogger's channel and copy any of the videos URL. So I'll just go to some random YouTube video, and
Are you ready to handle it?
yeah. So I've just copied this particular channel's one of the videos URL, and I'll paste it on my app. Now let's say I want to search this channel's video from last year, January 2021 to I have got. So at the time, I'm fetching initially 5 results in the result in chunk of 5 videos at a time. And like I mentioned, the pagination thing is which is still pending. I'm still exploring that part, that how can I make a pagination on a scroll end. And if I click on any of these videos, it will take me to that particular it will take me to that video on YouTube. and start playing it for me. So also currently it is opening the video in the browser, and I tried to open in YouTube app, but I was facing some challenges. So that is also I'll be trying to implement in the as a part of further enhancement in this project. Yeah, that's uh, uh, I've committed my code into the GitHub for the uh, front end as well as the APIs. I was trying to deploy my APIs into the Heroku. That's what I use for usually for my app deployments, but because it was I don't know why it was asking for some charges this time, so I was not able to deploy it in this time. So I'm trying to explore other uh, Heroku alternatives where I can deploy. I was trying to use one back for app. So that part is still pending for me to deploy in some environment. And then I think I'll be able to push this app into the Play Store. Uh, so yeah, uh, that's all I have.
Excellent work, Rukmani. So cool. I feel like I'm echoing
Thanks.
you. Yeah, that was awesome. So much nicer than kind of doing the old manual thing of going back and trying to search month by month. Yeah, I'm gonna throw it out to the team here. Any questions for Rukmani at this time? Daman, go for it.
Yeah, I have, I don't know if it's a question or suggestion, maybe, is it possible to play the videos in your app? Will that be something that you're looking forward to implement instead of like, I will navigate to YouTube? Is it even possible, or is it something you're looking at into?
It's not impossible. Even I
I
had
mean,
this.
does that, I mean, yeah, you can play the YouTube videos inside an app. So I was just wondering if that's in
Yeah,
the
you
pipeline.
can embed it. Yeah, you can embed it and play it inside your app as well. React Native gives you this functionality. I think there is some external library. I haven't explored much on that, but
No worries.
I I haven't still considered implementing it as a part of my app because I wanted to keep it simple. Uh, but also I was not sure how is going to be the video quality if I play it inside my app. So because of that, I haven't tried to implement this feature for now.
Great question. Amit, go for it.
So right now, like you are searching only with the date filter, but if I am looking for a video, like specifically, okay, last year and specific title I remember, because now again, I'm scrolling, like I'm going into that time period, but again, I need to scroll and do the same thing for the video. So would that be something you're adding, like where I am like specific between this year and this type of video I'm looking for?
Uh, Type as in
Like title, something like I remember the title, okay, Apple, this phone title I have, and but I want during this time period if I have any news about it from Apple. So like if I'm following some tech channel, I remember a topic, React JS, React Native, anything. I want to look about specifically about that, but in during that time period. So that saves me even looking like just the date filter.
yeah, understood. So yeah, I think that is something that I can implement as a part of enhancement. There is option that you can include, but if you want to search for a particular snippet from the video title or description, so that is something that can be added as a uh, enhancement for this app. And I think yeah, that can be useful because sometimes you have like for example, you have a particular thing in mind that okay, I want to search for this particular thing from this year's video. So I think yeah, that can help.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Awesome. Any last questions before we move on to our last presenter? Cool. Well, be sure to check out Rukmani's project on the Commit app. She gave another update today, so love to see those product updates happening. You'll have to keep us posted too on how it's going. Yeah, so keep those coming. Thanks so much for presenting and all the hard work. It looks great.
Sure. Thanks.